As if I really needed to jump. My index finger was almost strong enough to lift this up by itself.
I think I like this little life.
Alright you guys, right when I walked in, we started making some food. Mama, what is this called?
Patata humar.
Patata bahoro. Bahoro.
Humar.
Horma.
Sauce.
Chili sauce?
Yeah.
They're gonna be done making food.
It's almost done.
Look.
We have a coconut drink going on right now, you guys.
Fresh, fresh.
Oh, you did it! You guys already know what time it is. It's time to get ready to go. I ended up changing my outfit. Something more cute and classy. It is really hot today. Can we see it? Can I try it? Wait, I don't have it. Yes. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna try the chocolate. I usually get the peanut butter power. I tell them to give me extra dates, easy on the ice, and oat milk. Yes, that's it. Wow. That is very fatty. I can taste it. This is good. No, I do.
Please give me my chocolate.
You don't like it? Why?
I just don't want it. Give me my chocolate.
Hold on.
It's mine.
Okay, one more.
One more sip, okay? A sip, not 2 chugs in your mouth.
You guys, this is so good.
Please drink it. I don't want it to melt.
Okay.
Okay, give it now. That's not a sip. That's a chug. Okay, go on, bro. Let's go ahead. Not.
That is so yum. Subhanallah. That's so good. That's actually really good, bro. Alright you guys, so we finally picked up the dress. Cannot wait to show you guys what these dresses look like. They're so beautiful. Alright, so right now, you guys know that I like to do all of my shopping like on a Sunday or whatever, but today is a Saturday. And I'm like, you know what, I need to go to the store to pick up something because my husband wants me to like bake him this cake. So I'm like, why don't I just like knock out shopping right now? So let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Thank you. Come on, go. All right, let's start off from this way. Let's go this way. No, it's not. Why is it weird having 2 baskets?
It's like you're buying a big bag.
Well, it's nice for you to learn. Just hold on.
I'm gonna grab some.
Grab some what? That like aesthetically pleasing to look at. Oh, it's done. They don't look, no. Hold on, we can't get these. These look bad. They don't look good. Oh. These ones are not bad. These are Aisha. Alright, you guys, finally got the camera back from the kiddos. Alright, we need the chocolate. Come this way. Alright, we need chocolate. Dark chocolate, not milk chocolate. Here it goes. Dark chocolate. Okay, let's do 2 chocolates. So sometimes I'll take the girls shopping with me to just know how to shop in a store, what aisle to go down. Aisha, did you grab the paper towels? I love to take my girls shopping sometimes, but sometimes it can be a bit stressful, I'm not gonna lie. They always say, Mommy, I want this, Mommy, I want that. Yes, this is. Let's do the big one, because we go through these like...
Oh no. You got a big one.
No, put that one back.
Mama,
Let's do the mega ones.
I'm right here.
Alright, let's go.
She's a strong woman.
Alright, let's go. Say mashallah. Aisha, say mashallah. Okay. Why do I look at the camera and go? Alright, come on. Now it's about teaching these kiddos. Get familiar with the store. 1, 2, 3. You want to pay for it?
Yeah. Where is? No, beside you.
It's called a reset. Baby, you're so mean. Alexa, shut it off. Literally bedtime. All right, you guys. So, alhamdulillah, we're done with the grocery shopping for our whole entire week. So I don't have to reset on Sunday. Besides, just take care of myself, nurture myself, level myself a bit more. I am not cooking tomorrow. I don't expect to cook tomorrow because I just would like to relax. But that's not why I'm here with you right now. Right now, I want to show you these batis because they are so cute. So let's start off with the one. My favorite one. Aisha, you want to come hold them for me? Aisha's going to help us. Aisha, say hello.
Hello.
Alright, you guys, so remember the one that I was like, this was like so cute and classy, like you could just put it on, throw some earrings on, and just lay your hair down. I'm like, whoop, whoop. Yes. This is so pretty, you guys. It's long, it's flowy. This is another one. This one's kind of like, you know, I just throw this on like every day, kind of, you know. It's cute, it's classy. Throw this on when my friends come over, my in-laws. This one is kind of like casual day, gonna go chill with my friends, or I just wanna like, you know, be in the house, be chill, be lazy. This one I would wear to a party. So, look at this one. It's really cute, very flowy, airy. Of course, it's see-through, so you have to wear something underneath that. But look at it, it's so pretty. I have not worn this one yet, you guys. So this one makes me look like $1,000. This is my lazy girl, cute era kind of deal going on here. It's kind of like I want to feel fancy, but I just got out the shower and I don't feel like getting dressed. This is her. I feel like I mostly wear this one.
Yeah, she mostly wears this one. She wears it almost like a lot.
Okay, no I don't.
Last but not least,
Last but not least,
the pretty and white gold one. And she didn't show you yet, but it comes with the belt.
you guys, this one is my favorite as well. My mother-in-law gave me this one. We actually had this one made. It's really pretty. We went to go get it. She surprised me because they ran out of all the fabric with this one. So she ended up giving it to me. Alhamdulillah, it's really nice of her. I love it. See-through. Haven't worn it yet. But baby, when I put this on, alright, you guys, now that we are in the night, I want to go ahead and end this vlog. I am extremely tired, as you guys can see on my face. Your girl needs some sleep. I literally got chocolate stains on my favorite prayer garment. Look at this. You guys, okay? So, you guys already know what's up. I'm just gonna go take this out, go shower, and maybe put on one of these beautiful dresses. Girls, which one should I wear? We're just gonna be chilling. This one?
The other one.
See you later.
I love you.